Hey guys, so the Moto G7 series has been the subject of several leaks in the past few months, and now we have more renders and European pricing details. So according to my smart price, the series will start at €149 or $170 for the Moto G7 Play. Furthermore, the outlet says the device will be available in blue and gold color schemes. Meanwhile, the Moto G7 Power is tipped to launch in black and lilac purple color for €209 or $238. Pricing for the Moto G7 and G7 Plus was not revealed, but they're almost guaranteed to be more expensive than the Moto G7 Play. In any case, the Moto G7 is set to arrive in black and white color schemes, while the Plus variant is tipped to feature red or blue color options. The outlet has revealed a few new press renders too, showing off a water top notch and dual camera setup on the standard and Plus variants. The renders also show off single rear camera and bigger notches on the G7 Play and Power. Recently, the Moto G7 was benchmarked on Geekbench, which shows that the phone scores 1260 in single core and 4759 in multi-core performance. As per the listing, the Moto G7 will be powered by the Snapdragon 660 processor coupled with 3GB of RAM. Although earlier rumors revealed that the Moto G7 will also come in another variant of 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, with an option to expand the storage via microSD card slot. The phone will feature a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display with a screen resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels. Moto G7 will be featuring dual rear camera setup with a combination of 16MP primary lens and 5MP secondary shooter. For the front, there is a 12MP sensor for selfie and video calling. Lastly, it will have 3500 mAh battery and it will run on Android 9.0 Pie. Nevertheless, the brand will need to offer plenty of bang for the buck if it hopes to claw back market share from the likes of Huawei, Xiaomi and Realme. So that is it for this video guys. Let me know what you think about the Moto G7 series. Also don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.